Thanks for hopping on with us today. We're doing another landing page, different type. Last time we did one about first-time home buyers and talking about the lead generation one. Today we're going to hop into a different landing page. Again, if you're in KvCORE, click on the three lines. If you're in BoldTrails, you're already expanded. Click lead engine. It'll open this up here where it says select a domain. Click a Morin or whatever your name is, and it'll open up and then start building. It's going to open up the landing page, ready to go. So in the top left, like we showed you last video, this shows you the different options. We already did one, which shows the video right here, lead generation, the first one. We don't just do a video in view because then you can't get any leads. You're just showing a video. You want to make sure you're getting leads out of it. So I'm going to go down here to video in lead. And as you can see, we're going to clean it up a lot, but it has a video right here. We're going to be able to put in there and get their information after playing the video. So this would be a video where you would want to put some information. So we talked about first-time homebuyers last video. So say you had a little Zoom call or whatever that you recorded with your lender, talking about grants and how they work and how you can help it, playing on that whole grant theme. And then you could talk about that, and then you could play this other video. Because remember, if you talked about that one subject, you can piggyback on that to get other subjects. So again, the first thing where it says tag, I'm going to put maybe like first-time homebuyer grant. So I know this is my grant video. Now remember, with hashtags, there's no spaces. You don't put the hashtag. Submit button right here again. Learn more. Simple call to action. And make sure you spell it right, not like me. Learn more. And now the URL after login, I want them again to be able to go somewhere where they're going to be able to start looking at homes, looking at leads, learning about grants, whatever you want to do at that point. So I'm going to see if I can pull my website back up that I had open before. And this was not it. So let me try to pull the other one up again real quick. I had a couple open. Come on. Okay. Well, I got one more I think I got to pull open. Nope. All right. So we're going to just pretend. We're going to show you again how to do it. Make it more easy. I guess for the video, it'll be better to show anyway. So if I want in here and I want to make sure that I have it ready to go, and I want to have a URL so they can start looking at homes. Since this is first-time home buyers, I go to my BoldTrails KvCORE top right, my name or my picture, go down to the website, open it up, and then here at the top, I'm going to search San Antonio right here. Like this is for buyers, remember. I do San Antonio, or it could be for sellers. If this was a video showing like your home that you have listed and you wanted to show your new listing, you would go here to sell. And this would be the link for the home you'd want. And you'd be able to grab that link in there. And then you'd have your sell link ready to go. If it was one for home purchases, like we were talking about doing that, I would go here and I would pick an area like San Antonio. I only want, I'm just clicking off everything except for single family. I'm going to say I want 4-bedroom, 2-bath. I want a minimum price of $250 and a max price of $400, just to keep it simple. And then when I hit search, it's going to open up and give me, 500 choices or so. I'm going to copy that link. And then that link goes right there. And then it's good to go. So now my hashtag, I have my call to action, and I have my link where they're going to go once they click on it. The next thing we need, as you can see right here, is called your YouTube video ID. And what this is the part I'll show you based on one of my YouTube videos, because I know you're all here watching them, which is amazing. Thank you for supporting. If you haven't liked to subscribe, please do so. We appreciate you. I'm just going to open up the video. Any video you want this to go to. Now, the video you've made, like with your lender, we use that example, or your new listing you had, anything like that you have made that goes on and you're done. Once you load that up, you need to make sure you take the time to put it on YouTube if you want to use this video in view. That's how you use it. And you see at the top of the video, I just highlighted the spot after the equal sign. So in the www part at the top, it's called the URL. You're going to highlight the piece after the equal sign. And this is called your YouTube video ID. So if I take that and go back here and put it right here, you see now it automatically gave me the shortcut to that YouTube video ready to play as part of my video. That I pretend that was not YouTube, but it was like my talking about my lender about down payment. I always require a phone, like I mentioned before. My background, I'm just going to do Farmhouse is pretty cute. I can also do living room. I like the hard. That's not bad. That's not bad. What's eco? I'm not going to do eco today. Not in the mood for that. I'm going to do maybe kitchen. Kitchen's a nice one. I'm feeling kitchen today. And then I would pick a background that I like the look of for first-time home buyers. This could be something they could definitely get. Lead type here is a buyer. If I want to do light theme, I can, where it stands out a little bit different. See how the difference? I'll put on light theme just so you can kind of look at the two differences. And now where it has your broker, you're going to double click and hit OK. And you see the whole thing vanished. As we go down here into this bottom section, if you double click anywhere, that whole section vanishes. So if I double click on this bottom line, it deletes the whole section because these are connected. If I double click on this, it only deletes this line, as you can see, because it's not connected to this. So I want to change the message. So I'm going to say right here, learn how to buy your next home using a government grant. Something simple like that. And then you clean up any spelling you have, and that's a good, simple message. I don't want this bottom line. I'm going to get rid of it. Double click, boom. Now for these two top, this is a pretty strong message. I could leave it alone just like that because I do have a video in here, and that's what I want people mostly to do is to watch the video. So for this one, I'm going to double click all my little check marks, and you see if you double click the check mark, it's all gone. And then this would be a video talking about how they can learn. And then once they want to learn more or watch the video, they can give me their information. And that's kind of a simple setup, very easy to go, and then they're good to go. Now at the bottom where it has this message, we already took our broker out, so I'm going to say, courtesy of EXP Realty LLC. Give my broker a little virtual hug right there, get them all set to go. And then they're ready, and I have my grant thing ready. Now, if everything looks good, which I do like the look of this one, this is what it's going to look like. I can go up here, and if I go up, this is at the bottom left, but if I go to the top and hit save, I can't change it when I save it. So make sure you like it before you save it. So when I hit save, I'm going to hit OK, and it's going to be popped up. And there's my video ready to go. And that's a nice, clean-looking landing page. Now we can do the same thing. I can copy this line if I want and hit right here on this green button in the top left. I can share it instantly to Facebook, for example. And then right here. And you see now the message is right here. Learn how to buy your next home using a government grant. And that would be the message if I actually posted it. But because this video isn't a good video with my lender, I do have some videos. I just don't want to hunt them down for this one. And then it's there. So the main thing is to follow the steps, use the equal sign in the URL of the Facebook video. It has to be the YouTube video you want to use. It has to be a YouTube video. It won't work for any type of video. And then you have that link and you can put it anywhere you want. That's the easy way this way to let someone watch, learn about that, or it could see, check out this new listing that just hit the market. And you would have your listing video right here talking about your home. And then you can easily share it to all your different social media groups to get leads that way. A couple different ways you can use this one. It's very versatile. I like it a lot. If you have any more questions, please reach out.